In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional business letter using Google Docs. This step-by-step guide will walk you through accessing templates, customizing your letter, and saving or sharing it. Whether you're sending an official communication for your company or writing a letter for personal needs, Google Docs offers a simple and effective solution. Let's start by opening Google Docs. Head over to your web browser and type in docs.google.com. Once the page is loaded, you'll be greeted with the option to open a blank document or a range of templates. Focus your attention on the top right corner where you'll find the Template Gallery button. Click on it to explore the variety of templates Google Docs has to offer. The next step is selecting a business letter template. Within the template gallery, you can either scroll through the options or use the search function to locate the business letter template. These templates are professionally designed to give you a solid foundation for your letter. Once you've spotted the business letter template, click on it to open. This will guide you to a pre-formatted document that you can seamlessly modify according to your needs. Now, let's move on to customizing your letter. When you open the template, it will include placeholder text. This is your opportunity to personalize the document with your own details. Replace the placeholder text with your sender's name and address. Make sure you include the complete date as well. Next, update the recipient's name and address. Continue by crafting your greeting and body text, ensuring it suits the tone and purpose of your communication. If you have a specific style in mind, you can adjust the fonts or formatting to better match your brand's aesthetics. Once you're satisfied with how your letter looks, it's time to review and save it. Proofreading is crucial here. Carefully read through your letter to spot any typos or awkward phrasing. A polished letter reflects professionalism, so it's worth taking a couple of extra minutes to ensure everything is perfect. After proofreading, you're ready to save your document. Click on the File menu located in the top left corner. If you want to keep a copy on your computer, select Download and choose either Word or PDF format. If you prefer to send it directly to a colleague or client, click on File and then Share. You can enter an email address and send it straight from Google Docs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've efficiently created, customized, and saved a professional business letter using Google Docs. This method not only streamlines the process, but also ensures your correspondence looks neat and formal. Keep practicing, and you'll be crafting these letters like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.